Hey guys, Spade 1979 here. Gonna bring to you guys today two cool deals at the Home Depot that are pretty wild for the price that you're paying. So the first one is gonna be a Ryobi sliding compound miter saw. Yeah, guys, sliding compound miter saw. So as you can see, there's 7 left in stock in my store, and there's a couple left in a couple of stores. This is in store only, guys, and this is $99 for a sliding compound miter saw. So single bevel, it's tilting on the left side, 7 1/4 from Ryobi, guys. Let me know down in the comment if this is a good deal. So one thing, guys, that I have to mention is that this sliding compound miter saw, I saw some videos on YouTube that this back part of the saw, which I'm going to show you guys right here, that little metal fence there where the material rests on, it doesn't go back. That piece of metal or on both sides doesn't slide backwards enough towards the back of the saw to be able to slide and cut the material through all the way, which kind of defeats the purpose of having a sliding compound miter saw if you can't cut all the way through the material. But you know, there's pretty good rating on them, and I mean, that might be a fluke. That might be some lemons that people are getting on YouTube and they're just making videos on them. So only way to know for sure is for me to go out and buy this saw and just test it out for myself. But let me know in the comments if this is something you would be interested in. I mean, 99 bucks for a sliding compound miter saw. I mean, you look at the price of the other saw. So if you get a regular 10-inch miter saw, 168. If you go with the plus one here, 1 plus 18 volt compound miter saw, non-sliding, just regular, 159. So for a sliding compound miter saw to be $99, that is a pretty good deal in my opinion, guys. Second deal that I want to share with you guys is some Spade bits. So I'm going to first show you guys this Speed Demon kit here. Look at the number of pieces, 12 piece. It goes up to 1 1/4 inch Spade bits. So let's zoom in on that, 1 1/4. You see the kit right here. So 12 piece kit. I'm going to show you guys something else. All right, you have to take off the in-store product tab there, $22.97. Let's remember that number, $22.97. So if you go down a little on the Home Depot Spade bit page when you're doing research, $24.98, 16 pieces. So you guys see right here, 16 pieces with carrying pouch for $24.98. I think this is a way better deal than the other one. And this one goes, it doesn't say in the description, so I'm gonna have to zoom in for you guys. This goes up to 1 1.5 inch for the Spade bits. Sorry about that, guys. But 1.5 inch for the Spade bits all the way through. You get 4 extra bits. So let me know in the comments if this is a good deal compared to the other one. The other one you can get in store, but this one, it's no big deal, guys. You just order it online and you have it delivered to your store. It's totally free. Just have it delivered to your local Home Depot, and they'll text you when they receive the product. That's not too complicated, guys. But yeah, guys, these are the two deals that I want to show you guys. The sliding compound miter saw. Let me know in the comments, for 99 bucks, is that a good deal? Is it something that you think it might be a lemon, might be defective? That's why they're kind of liquidating or clearing them out at that price. Let me know in the comments down below, guys. A thumbs up if you appreciate tool deals. I know there's not a lot of people in Canada doing tool deal videos, but I'm always on, you know, tools website, Canadian Tires, Lowe's, Home Depot, Rona's, and all these sites. And I'm always looking, guys, to see if I don't find some good deals, because I just love some deals. And you know, whenever I find some deals from now on, guys, I'm gonna post and I'm just gonna share with you guys so you can enjoy these deals as well, because I know there's not a lot of people in Canada doing some tool deals videos. So that's why I wanted to start sharing my findings that I see on these sites, guys. All right, guys, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, a thumbs up is always appreciated, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.